Welcome to a new vlog. I'm Ave and I make pottery and I draw stuff. I made a mistake. I opened up a new box of clay and I noticed that it was different than the box of clay that I was working through. It was much lighter, closer to B-Mix, and I was just like, wait, what's going on here? So then I checked the box that I've been working through and it was a white stoneware. So I've been working through a clay thinking that it was a speckled B-Mix, and it does have a light speckle. So I thought the bag was just like kind of a dud, but it turns out I just mixed up my boxes. So after working through the speckled clay officially, like actually working with the speckled clay, I'm obsessed with the results. Look at it. It's so cute. I think it's so cute. Oh my gosh. So here's what it looks like on some underglazes. I just did like a super quick batch of test tiles and things, and I had some stuff ready to go. So this is the other clay. Like, you can see that there are some speckles. It's kind of light. This one is 55, in case anyone wants to know. Laguna 55. And then here's the speckled B-Mix. I love them both. Both clays, like, this is just like working with B-Mix. This is a really forgiving and nice stoneware, and they both fire to cone 5 or 6. Well, I heard speckled B-Mix does not like cone 6, and I fire to cone 5 anyways, so that's fine for both of these. I'm excited to fill the kiln with a bunch of speckles. Right now I have a lot of planters drying downstairs, so today I think I'm going to underglaze them all and start stacking my kiln for when I need it to fire it again. I'm gonna eat my lunch and then go work downstairs. So I scheduled my shop update for the 29th, which is like 10 days later than what I wanted. But that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So that means that's this Friday, and today's Monday, the 25th. So the other things that I wanted to get to were stickers, new stickers, figuring out if I'm going to even reorder any, if any, and maybe a new t-shirt or something. So that involves some drawing. And yeah, let's get to it. So today is Wednesday the 27th, and last night I put up a poll for Patreon for them to vote on what stickers or what drawings that to become stickers. I had 5 choices, and let me show you the choices. Let me show you. Oh, I can put them here. Anyways, the 5 are a happy dice, a screaming teapot, which was like a free download for them for like a phone background. Let's see. Oh, a mushroom bear, which the one that I listed like in the Patreon post, I didn't like the outline as much. So I went back and I tweaked it a little bit, added a few more details. And then I did like a meh cup, but I did that in glitter. And then growth takes time, which I don't know, it's resonating with me right now, and I put it on a bunch of pots because I was thinking about planters and stuff like that and how long plants take to grow. But like, look at this beautiful thing. It's my favorite plant. Shh, don't tell the others. And over the years I can actually see like how long it's gotten, but it's taken years. Yeah, so those are the 5 designs, and the top one was the Screaming Teapot. Second place was the Happy Dice. My favorite was the least voted, which is the Mushroom Bear. So then I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna order all of them because it was really close. The other 2, the middle 2 were tied. So that would be the Growth Takes Time and the Meh Cup. So those 2 were tied. Last place by 1 was Mushroom Bear. So what I did was I ordered the number 1 sticker. I ordered more of them than I did of everything else. One is the normal like 3-inch size, which is my standard size. I just order 3-inch in the largest dimensions. So if it's a really tall sticker, then it'll be 3 inches tall. If it's a wide sticker, 3 inches wide. A bunch more of that one, and I ordered an alternate color as a 2-inch sticker, and that will be the freebie sticker for a while. And I haven't drawn / ordered new stickers in a year. I haven't ordered new stickers in about a year, and I haven't drawn anything new in a very long time. So who knows, by the time this vlog comes out, maybe the stickers are already available in the shop because I'm way behind on editing. Anyways, yeah, so that's where I am in the process. I am uploading all the pictures. I just finished editing, and I realized I didn't photograph some of the mugs. So I will upload them just to get that done, and then I'll do another little photo shoot. And I'm really excited. Everything's turning out super cute. I'll show you some of the things. Okay, so look at it. This one, I was just like, I don't know what to do. I love rainbows. Let's do a rainbow. And I'm trying my best. And then when it came out of the kiln, I had carved it. I was like, oh, the speckles make the white lines hard to read. So I was just like, well, I'm gonna put it in gold. And it came out so cute. So these were somewhat, like this one was an alternate for a Patreon custom. Look, there's a heart on the back. And then it says roll for cuteness. This was like first try prototype. Also roll for cuteness. Obviously I like this one better. Takes way longer, but it's cute. And so these are going in the shop. Once I get my regular clay back, I want to do like a bunch. So here is an old design that worked out beautiful in the speckled clay. And I did it in the smaller mug size because that's what could fit in my kiln with all the planters. So I was like, I'll just go back to this size and I won't add the gold clouds. But I did add some glazes, so it's really subtle. But there's some like random glaze strips. I just love it. I love it so much. And my signature. Yum. But look at that. I love this, and I know like 70s aesthetic has been like on the rise, and I really like it. And I was watching Bob Ross in the background, And he's always blending colors on the like a flathead brush. And I was like, I'm gonna try that. So I did. And he came out super cute. And now I want to get more flat brushes that are larger than an inch. So, but yeah, sometimes I think too much, sometimes all the time. Another simple playby. Here's how some of the faces came out. This face is actually inspired by the new anime on Netflix called Kotaro Lives Alone. And it's about this 4-year-old boy who lives on his own in an apartment and sort of like builds his own family, or happens to fall into a family that is non-conventional, and it's like his neighbors at the apartment complex helping him out because he's a 4-year-old and he's super sweet, and it's just it's a really, I loved it. I loved that anime. It made me cry. Not that that's hard to do, but anyways, he really loved stars and he was just like simple joys. And yeah, that's this little face. Last one that I will show, because it's the last one up here, is this one. It's just a baby. And I did my 2 favorite plants. I did my string of pearls. Doo-doo. There, it's right here. And then my Monstera. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Baby. And I really like this, even though the green underglaze didn't cover the blue-green. That's holes. Okay, let me go grab those pots that I'm missing, photograph them, send out an email, and that should be my day. Whoa. Okay, here's a good look at what more I have. Let's see. But I want to make a tray for it. A lot of people are looking forward to it too. I'll wait though. So I want to make a drip tray. It doesn't have one. And I want to make a drip tray that has like other mushrooms. So like the idea is there and I'm really excited for it. So it'll have to wait. Okay. Mugs acquired.